the balancing act teachers face under the Mother Tongue-based Multilingual Education or MTBMLE policy. MTBMLE requires teachers to use the learner's first language as the main medium of instruction from kindergarten to grade 3. Its goal is to make learning easier by starting with a language students already understand before introducing Filipino and English. For English subjects, this creates a unique situation. Teachers are expected to teach English, but through another language first. This makes teacher central how the policy actually works in classrooms.
Mga bata, in a sentence, the boy walked alone in the forest. Basta may pasabot, Ani.
Ako teacher.
Yes, Rizel?
Ang lalaki kay naglakaw sa forest, sila Sam.
Yes, very good. Now, speak it in English.
Mom! Isang Mom! In this situation, teachers act as bridges between languages. Instead of teaching English directly, they first translate meaning into the mother tongue, then guide students back to English. This approach can improve comprehensions, especially for young learners. However, it also changes the teacher's role. They are no longer just teaching English. They are managing two languages at the same time. This requires more effort, more preparation, and constant adjustment during lessons.
Karon mga bata, manataog basa sa short story. Now, i-describe man ninyo ang makadescribe sa character sa story.
Ma'am,
Yes?
the boy, di na lang po, lisod man. Lisod dito.
So, inganin na ng mga bata ha. Una, i-istorya siya sa Bisaya. Unya, after na, i-translate niyo ang English. Kaya na ba?
Yay! One challenge in teaching English under MTB-MLE is student confidence. Students may understand ideas in their first language but struggle to express them in English. Teachers must guide them step by step, which can slow down the lesson. In terms of support, many teachers lack of training in how to effectively transition from mother tongue to English. Without clear strategies, lessons can become repetitive or less effective in developing English proficiency.
Kailangan pa na ko i-translating a story, prepare questions, and then make sure they can answer it in English. Another issue is workload. We teachers often prepare materials in both the mother tongue and English. Since there are limited ready-made resources, we create our own translations and activities. This increases preparation, time, and adds pressure. While the policy aims to support learning, it can unintentionally strain us teachers if proper resources are not provided.
Thank you, ma'am. Sabot na rin po sa story.
Good.
I didn't speak that mother tongue. In multilingual classrooms, not all students share the same first language. This creates a challenge for teachers implementing MTB-MLE. They must decide which language to use, while ensuring that no student is left behind. This affects classroom interaction, participation, and overall engagement. Teachers are constantly adjusting just to meet the needs of their students. In the Philippine context, MTBMLE is important because it recognizes linguistic diversity and aims to make education more inclusive. For English learning, it provides a foundation by ensuring students understand concepts before expressing them in English. However, its effectiveness depends on how it is implemented. In many schools, challenges such as lack of materials, limited training, and diverse student languages affect its success. Still, the policy has influenced teaching practices by encouraging deeper understanding rather than memorization. It also highlights the critical role of teachers in making language learning meaningful. To improve teacher engagement in teaching English under MTD MLE, several strategies can be applied. First, provide specialized training for English teachers, focusing on how to translation from mother tongue to English effectively. Second, develop more bilingual teaching materials such as storybooks and activity sheets. Third, encourage collaboration among teachers where they can share techniques and resources. Fourth, school leaders should offer consistent support and understanding, especially in addressing classroom challenges. Lastly, allow teachers to use flexible language strategies so they can adjust based on their students' needs.
Okay, class, who can describe the boy in the story? Okay,
The boy is brave.
very good. How about you?
The boy is very handsome.
Very good, class. You now understand the story in English. Teaching English under MTV MLE is both an opportunity and a challenge. It allows students to understand before they express, but it also requires teachers to take on more complex roles. The success of this policy depends not only on its design, but on how well teachers are supported in implementing it. In the end, effective language learning begins with empowered teachers.
A day in the life of a teacher and students under MTV MLE. We realized that teaching English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It involves understanding how students think and process knowledge. We also saw how policies can create both opportunities and challenges for teachers.
This task helped us understand that supporting teachers is key to making any language policy successful.
And that was a day in our life
As a teacher
and students under MTV MLE.
thank you for
Watching!
I just had to let you know you're